Hi ladies, how are you? I'm not in the school today because I'm a little bit sick, but I'm going to give you the work that we need to develop in this class. So pay attention, please. Put your computers out and open Illustrator, alright? So pause this video and do that. And then I continue explaining. Alright, okay. When you have Illustrator already open, you go to File, New, and I need that you create a letter size in the print, alright? Letter size. And check that you have the vertical mode and two artboards. Check that, please. Create a new artboard that has a letter size with two artboards in the vertical mode, and you click to create. When you have your two pages of the work, the first thing is go to a text tool, this one, or character. Give one single click over here to a space of work number 1, and you put name, and you of course put your name. Pepita Perez as an example. Alright, Montaño, and put the grade, alright, 6C as an example. And then go over here and make these characters bigger with the tool that you have over here at top with the points of the size of the letter. So you just click over here, maybe I don't know, 24. If you can switch the fonts, it's okay for me. For me, it's okay if you want to put another font that are more interesting for you. And then when you have your name, we're going to start. The first thing is that you need to check that you have the design mode in the Illustrator. So you go to Window, Space of Work, and you just check that you have design active, not another one, because we need the design tools. So you just click to design, and you will have all the panels at left, right, and top, alright, and the information at bottom. With that in mind, when you already put your name of the work, please copy and paste this one and put with another typography or font formative number 1, formative number 1, formative number 1. Put them with another font to check maybe another one that is more interesting for you. I don't know, maybe this one is okay. Formative number 1, alright. So when you have the two titles in your work, you're going to come over here and you're going to choose 3 shapes that you want, whatever. It can be, I don't know, a square, can be a star, maybe over here, can be a circle. Yeah, let's take a circle. And you put them one in the top of the another one, alright? No in order. I need that all of them are on top of the another one, and switch the colors. So you just switch the colors one by one to identify all of the shapes by color. So when I have it over here with the 3 colors that I'm going to use, I'm going to copy and paste, and I'm going to put them over here, right? So you just copy and paste the 3 originals and put them at right of the originals. When you have it, you have this, you're going to choose all of these 3 ones, and you go to Pathfinder o Buscatrazos in Spanish, Pathfinder o Buscatrazos in Window Panel, Buscatrazos, or Pathfinder in English. And he going to put you this panel at right, or maybe at bottom at left. It's up to you. I mean, check where is it. And you have several options. The first one are mix. Look, they make them one single one, or maybe you can just divide it. Look, they divide to you the shapes. So what we need to do in this work, we're going to explore these tools, what it means unified, what it means divide, what it means mix, place. Play with that tools to see how it goes. All right, pause this video and then we continue working. Alright, when you already have all of the shapes and you explore all the options that they give you, you need to divide the 3 of them, alright? So you just go to divide, and it appears that it's not happening nothing, but it's because they are a group. So you go to object and group, alright? And you will check that he just cut it out one by one with the places that you are working, that you put them over here in the paper. So I need that you develop this one with 3 simple ones, and in bottom I need that you develop another ones that are more difficult ones. So maybe you go to internet, I'm going to do it by myself, and I research a silhouette. This one are good. So I'm going to put them, the 3 of them, there are more difficult ones. Remember, you need to put them one on top of the another one, like this, look. You need to cut it out in some point. I'm going to take the originals, I'm going to switch the colors one by one. Maybe this one, I don't know, I wanted it green. Maybe I want this another one, I don't know, maybe it can be blue one. Alright, oh, I don't know what happened. Give me a second. I'm going to put blue one. Alright, and I have the another one. So I'm going to put them one on the top of the another one. I'm going to copy and paste, and I'm going to develop the same work of this one, but we're going to mix. Alright, we're going to mix them, and it's one single one. So at the first one is just divide, and this one here are mix. When you have this one, you're going to create a symmetric image over here in the second page, like this. You're going to research on the internet a silhouette of an animal or whatever you want that are symmetric. I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to put a butterfly over here in the space of work, and as always we're going to put all the vectors that it belongs. I'm going to do it fast because I don't have too much time, but you're going to do it by yourself with more detail. All right, so let's do it fast because I don't have too much time, but you're going to take your time to develop in the proper way. All right, so when you have all the shape, it's important that you just develop the half that are left. All right, no all the shape. I'm not going to continue like this, look. No, I'm not going to continue the rest of the silhouette. I'm only going to leave it at the half. All right, so I'm going to check that I have the half over here, and I'm going to close them. All right, and when I have it, I'm going to separate I'm going to delete the original, and I'm going to take this one, copy, and then I'm going to paste in place. All right, paste in place. There are this one is edition, paste in place, and I have 2 over here because I copy the first one and I paste it in the same place, and then I'm going to transform it, and I'm going to give reflect, and I'm going to put it at exactly middle, and then I have it. I don't need to vectorize all of the another part because I already developed the half, and at the end I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to mix, and then I have it. That is the work of today. All right, please work. I'm going to take a grade for this one in the next class. I hope that you understand. If you don't understand, please give your question in the next class, but I know that you can develop this one because we see already a lot of the works of Illustrator. I hope that you understand, and if you don't understand something, maybe go back to the video and check the instruction. All right, so we'll see you in the next class.